How to make a new account in Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new account in Roblox. First, open Google Chrome and search for Roblox. Once you're on the Roblox website, click on the Login option. Next, click on Sign Up to start creating a new account. Select your date of birth, then choose a unique username. After that, set a password for your account and select your gender. Finally, click on Sign Up to complete the process. Your new Roblox account will now be ready to use. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.